Hi, this is Paul with Your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty, the Redman Property Group. It's frustrating when you've previously listed your home for sale and it's stalled on the market for months. Sooner or later, the listing will expire. Don't let this get you down. Just because your prior agent was not successful in getting your property sold, it doesn't mean there isn't a buyer looking for a property just like yours. We have buyers in waiting looking for homes in your area. Your home may already be sold. Several common mistakes might have been made that are out of your control. Perhaps the copywriting used for the online property description was poorly written, or maybe the property photos were of low quality, or even shot at the wrong angles. Sometimes there's zero budget, a lack of communication coming from your agent, or no advice on appropriate staging. The actual list goes on and on. We can go over the adjustments that can be made to your property to get it sold fast for more money and the least amount of hassle. For details, call us today or text us on 407-552-5281 so we can start the process of relisting your property. Remember, ask for me, Paul, 407-552-5281. Thank you.